In this video, I'm going to help you understand everything you need to know about your 26-foot U-Haul truck. First thing is, you're going to want to know that the tow haul light turns on automatically. Notice that that just turned it on. You only want to do that when you're hauling a heavy load. So if you're empty, press that button to turn it off. It's on by default. Next, on the steering wheel, this on-off button is your cruise control. So when you push on, you're going to see that orange icon pop up, and then when you set it, it's going to turn green. You're going to set it using these buttons right here. And this will increase your speed when you're cruise controlling. This will decrease it. Another item to recognize is if you click reset, that's going to reset your mileage on your trip. Now it's 0-0. And then you can go through the setup mode, and there's other options, but you don't really need to mess with those. And let's see, turning on the air conditioner, this button right here will turn it on. That'll get you some airflow. It's going to be whatever temperature you define it to, cold or hot. If you need it to be really cold, you're going to turn on the air conditioner or the max AC. Notice max AC turns the recirc fan on. So that's just going to make it recirculate the cabin air, which will increase the speed that it comes out and the pressure. This is your zone control, so you'll have various zones you can select. This is defrost in case you need it. And then radio, obviously, you got an aux port right here, so that's pretty good. You also have a charger. Over here, this is where your headlights are. Make sure that you put it right on this setting where this is the headlights actually being on. This is just going to be that setting that tricks everybody where only the guiding lights are on, the fog lights or something. So make sure you have it right here. This section right here is going to increase or decrease the darkness of the display. Let's see. This big truck has a 12-foot clearance. Do not go under anything that is less than 12 feet. It says that in multiple places, so you got to be careful about that. And then these mirrors right here, super helpful. I just backed this thing up very easy with these mirrors. Oh yeah, there's another 12 foot. They really want you to know this thing's 12 feet tall. Really, everything in here, there's instructions. It's very user-friendly. I highly recommend it. This example right here, cargo bay light, push this button right here if you want the light to be on in the trailer. The parking brake right here, you pull it up, release it. It's automatic transmission, so no clutch, super easy. Push the locks down to lock it, roll the windows up and down. It's that simple. The fuel tank is right beneath the driver's side door, right here. It only takes unleaded fuel. Do not put E85 in it. You're gonna wanna put the fuel at the exact amount that it was at when you got it. But here it is, 26-foot U-Haul truck.